How about a spring awakening hypnosis clearing with Jim DeMarco tomorrow night, Wednesday, March 27th, 6:30 to 8. We'll be in the energy enhancement room, taking in those scalar wave vibes while Jim helps us to reprogram that mental DNA with positive thoughts for the spring days ahead. So set your intention and get ready to manifest your rebirth. Join us, click the link, and come experience this incredible evening with Jim at the Infinite Impossibility Center, 801 Suite I, Route 73 North, Evesham, New Jersey. Come join us. Sign up right now. Love to see you there. Only 4 seats left.